Ninh explains, stop bullying, how to beat your bully. I don't mean physically, but that is an option. No, bullying is a widespread problem that happens worldwide. You don't have to be a kid at school to experience bullying. This could happen amongst friends, you could be an adult at a workplace. And yes, I know exactly what it's like to be bullied.
Ching Chong Chinaman, go back to China, you stupid Chinaman. Ching Chong Ching.
So how do you stop it? Here's my 5-step process to stop yourself from being bullied. Number 1, understand. You have to understand why bullying occurs and what your situation actually is. There's numerous reasons why bullies bully, but usually it stems from personal problems that they have about themselves. Most of the time, it's got absolutely nothing to do with you. Bullies lash out and pick on easy targets, the people who they perceive as weak. They just want to get a rise out of someone to make themselves feel better. Most of the time, bullies will pick on the people who are different, who stand out from the crowd, and who are susceptible of being hurt by words and actions. Number 2, ignore. Especially if it's online, a bully can't get a reaction out of you if you don't react. In the case of online bullying, just block and delete. Don't bother reading their comments. What can they do about it exactly? What can they do? If they create another account, block that too. Pretty soon they'll get bored of being blocked and ignored and they'll just move on to somebody else. Similarly, if it's in person, just apply the same principle. Just ignore, don't take them on. Number 3, stand firm. If ignoring doesn't work and they persistently seek you out, stand firm. Remember, bullies go for the weak, so it's time to show that you're not weak, that you are strong, and that you won't take this crap anymore. If you run away, that's exactly what they want. They want you to be scared. It's time to show that you're not. What they say doesn't bother you, what they do doesn't bother you. Tell them straight that they don't scare you. Be an example of somebody who is against bullying. And that brings us to our next point, number 4, backup. Surround yourself with people who are also against bullying. People who care about you. Talk to people. Don't suffer in silence. There are many people who are just against bullying as you are. Get them on your side. Get them to look out for you. This might be your teachers, other parents, work colleagues, etc. Now, a bully will try it on with a single individual, but a bully won't get into a tussle with a whole army of people. It's just not worth it to them. It's a fight they know they can't win, so they won't even try. Remember, stand firm to show that you are strong, and let them know that you have a whole army behind you. Number 5, the last resort. I don't advocate violence, but sometimes a bully only learns through pain. And some bullies really need to be taught a lesson. It might be time to learn a martial art, boxing, a self-defense, just in case you need it. If you found this video at all helpful, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Download my free ebook here from my website, follow me on social media, and let me know if you've got any questions or comments in the comment section below.